Hi, I'm a bit bemused tonight. I'm exploring the founding fathers of quantum mechanics and what they actually thought while they were looking for and finding all these various paradigms and paradoxes that were going on in the quantum world that hadn't been discovered before. And it seems that there's a huge raft of thinking that was around at the time that was pretty esoteric. And they were exploring the realms of consciousness and trying to figure out how we interfaced with the quantum world that they were discovering. It seems a little bit kind of weird, slightly disappointing, maybe a bit strange that we don't seem to have come that far in 100 years to really understand where we fit into the equation. And really, the bit that bothers me is that when you've got things like entanglement that happen to particles throughout the universe and therefore must happen to particles that form who we are, where is the sense in not exploring that? You know, what more could we gain by understanding how entanglement works and how we're subjected to it, and what we can do if we find ourselves in an entanglement situation that we don't necessarily want? There are all sorts of connotations to our understanding of the quantum world, how it works, and what it does for us. Take synchronicity, for instance. I mean, synchronicity is quite reliable in pretty much being guaranteed to be positive. You find a synchronicity happening, you can be pretty sure that it's going to be good. It's going to be okay. It's going to get a fist bump from the universe and it feels all right. Now, Wolfgang Pauli of Pauli's Exclusion Principle and Carl Jung, famous psychologist extraordinaire, teamed up and investigated synchronicity for the best part of 25 years. And they couldn't really breach the bounds of known science in order to get to the bottom of how this phenomenon works, but they did know that it did work. And there was just too much evidence pouring in and happening to them all the time to keep going with the psychological investigation. So there's an awful lot more beneath the surface than has yet been trawled out of the physics cupboards. And it's really time that it was. So what I'd love you to do is a little bit of digging of your own and see what you come up with. Because if you read a paper about entanglement or wave-particle duality or retrocausality or uncertainty, even try the extended uncertainty principle, then you may find correlations of your own in your own mind of the things that are happening to you in your real world that are also being underpinned by a reality that we can't consciously comprehend yet. So, have fun and leave in the comments what you find. It'd be great. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.